Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to extract a video or to keep a video from YouTube and save it so that you can use it in a video project you have, whether it's on your computer, on your iPad, whatever it is. We want to get the video from YouTube onto your computer or into your files. So we're going to start by just going to a regular old YouTube video. I just grabbed a random one, and we are going to right click and copy that YouTube clip, and then we're going to go to the website called www.keepvid.com keepvid.com, and you want to ignore a lot of this stuff here. This will download a program to your actual computer. We don't need to do that. It's this small little box here. We're going to paste the URL from the YouTube clip that we copied and go over here and click download. And it could take a little while. It has to run a JavaScript, so you may be prompted to run, or depending on the browser you're using. So here we have, since I'm using Chrome, this is the way that the prompt looks, but depending on your browser. Anyway, it's asking, do you want to run this JavaScript? So I'm going to click run, and then it's pretty quick. Okay, if you have a good connection, you have a bunch of different formats that you can save this video as. Alright, so I know that I want to use an MP4. That's pretty common, it's easy to use in the different video editing programs that are out there. So the trick that I'm going to do here is, instead of clicking on the video and actually downloading it, I'm going to right click on the link. So I right clicked on the link for the MP4, and I want to save link as. I should point out before I go do that you could have a situation where there are more than one MP4s, and over here is the file size or the resolution of the video. And unless you're doing something really fancy and really professional, you'll want to stick to the smallest size that you can here. Okay, so 480p, if that's available, you'll want to go with that. But here it's my only option, and I want to go to save link as. So I right clicked save link as, and as always, you're going to be prompted, where do you want to save it? Okay, so if you have a specific folder that you want to get to, a network folder, whatever it is, if you have Dropbox installed on the actual computer you're working at, some of you do, you can throw it in your Dropbox and then have it available on your iPad or whatnot. If you don't have Dropbox installed here, my suggestion, which I'm going to do, is just save this to the desktop, just so that we can see that it does work. And we're going to click save. Okay, and then down here you'll see that the movie is downloading, and depending on the size or how long the video is, the longer the video, the longer it's going to take. Alright, so that is there. Okay, so when I go to my desktop now, I can see down here, there is the video that we moved, or that we saved right there. So now that's the basics of it right there. So if you're working with a laptop computer and you're going to do all your video editing right here, then you've got the video. You can put it into whatever file or folder you need it to from here. Okay, but now I'll take it a step further. If you want to put it to Dropbox so that you can access this on a mobile device, an iPad, a tablet, something like that. So I will go back to the internet. Now we're done with KeepVid. So remember KeepVid, you might want to bookmark that or throw it in a Diigo here, which I'm doing, which I should probably make a separate video on. So we're going to add that to my emerging technology, teaching with the iPad list. Diigo is a great little tool to keep your bookmarks. Okay, so we're going to go to Dropbox.com. And I'm going to sign in. I already have an account. Okay, so there are all the folders that I have in my Dropbox, and we want to get that video file from the desktop where I saved it into Dropbox so that I could access it from anywhere in the cloud. And we're going to go to upload. So we have an upload. Actually, I'm going to open this. So if you have a folder that you know you want it to go into, open that first. And then we're going to go to upload, choose files, find it on the desktop or wherever it is that you saved it. And it was right there. Open. And it's going to tell you how long it's going to take. Again, the longer the video, the longer that it will take to get to Dropbox. But once it's there, remember with Dropbox, you can access that video anywhere. You can get it into your photo library on your iPad and use it in an iMovie or any other kind of video editing software. Okay, but the trick is to get that video from YouTube to your own computer and then get it to the destination where you're going to edit it or include it in a larger movie project. Okay, so this was a pretty short video. It was only a minute and a half long. So there it is. It is in my Dropbox. So if I went to any other device, it will sync and automatically. And they're telling me it's already syncing. So that's the long and short of how to take a video from YouTube and use keepvid.com to extract it out to your own computer, and then we went ahead and put it into Dropbox.